board this train for gates A1 through A55. Luggage claim, ground transportation, and outboard.
Please move to the center of the vehicle and stay away from the doors. We will soon arrive at the terminal station serving gates A29 through A55. Luggage claim, ground transportation, and concourses B and C. This is the terminal station. Exit now for gates A29 through A55. Luggage claim, ground transportation, and concourses B and C. Stay on board for gates A1 through A28. Attention, doors are closing. Stop. Do not board the train.